Who doesn't love beautiful hydrangeas? Now, I certainly do, and I grow them every way I possibly can. And I love growing them in containers. You'll see them throughout Moss Mountain Farm in containers blooming throughout the summer. Now, if you can't decide whether you want pink or blue hydrangeas, try some of ours. All you have to do is change the soil. If you want bluer hydrangeas, which is the direction this one is definitely going, all you have to do is add a soil acidifier or an acidifying fertilizer. If you prefer pink, well, you want to sweeten the soil by using a little lime, of which you can pick up at your local hardware store. Now, another thing to keep in mind about these hydrangeas is that they rebloom. I've gotten up to 80 blooms off of a plant over a growing season. Now, I'm going to pot this one up in this container, and I want it to go more toward the blue, so I'm going to actually use this acidifier in the soil like this as I plant it. And over time, those blooms will begin to turn bluer and bluer. As you can see, there's no reason why every garden should have some of these reblooming hydrangeas in them. Hope you'll give them a try.